If you're a voiceover artist recording multiple times a day for all kinds of different clients, you'll want my Adobe Audition presets for voiceovers. This is a subtle improvement to your voice so that you can send audio recordings to your clients that sound a little bit better than just the raw microphone. Let me show you how they work. We've got a clean track up the top here if you want to hear the original, then a male voice heavy processing and easy processing, the same for female heavy and easy, plus a narration voiceover track down here, and a portable VO track if you're recording in hotel rooms or other places that are less than elegant in terms of the sound treatment and you want to roll away as much echo and noise from the room as possible. Let's start off with the male voice here, and we'll bring it into the clean track to listen to the original.
Playing the songs that make you feel good.
Now we'll add heavy processing.
Playing the songs that make you feel good.
Now that's for a client that really wants the final production there. Then we've got easy.
Playing the songs that make you feel good.
And of course we can move this down to narration. This is going to give a subtle process.
Playing the songs that make you feel good.
And a more full processing to the whole voice, including all of the frequencies taken into account there in narration. But we can also bring in the female voiceover. So let's bring in a few female voiceover bits here. And let's have a listen to this one.
94.3 Royal FM.
That's in the heavy processing. Original sounds like this.
94.3 Royal FM.
And again, we can put that in the easy track.
94.3 Royal FM.
A volume boost, but not too much to do with the enhancement and over compression of the voice. And then let's play the clean of this.
23rd Street, Miami, Florida.
And again, we'll go to easy processing.
23rd Street, Miami, Florida.
And then we'll go to heavy processing.
23rd Street, Miami, Florida.
So you can put as much or as little processing as you want. Not only that, you can do stuff for narration and you can clean up stuff that you recorded on the go that you really want to make it sound like you did it in your professional voiceover booth. Now available, the Adobe Audition voiceover presets. Go and download them today.